Hello, I'm with Luis Tonos, and he's just been through the 6-day logical thinking process course here in Paris, France, and I'd like him to tell us about his experience. Did you enjoy it? Would you recommend it?
Yeah, definitely. It has been an amazing experience to be here. It's an eye-opening experience for me because I have read before about the logical thinking process, but the practical way that you teach has improved my understanding and also how to implement in my business. It's like you have many tools available but don't know how to implement.
Yeah.
And in these 6 days, it has been very practical topic for me. So definitely always recommendation from my side.
The format of these 6 days is that people come with a big problem or big complicated problem to be solved. Can you tell us what problem you wanted to solve?
Yes. When I received the email asking for bring to the workshop this problem or situation, I immediately thought of my company, my business. We have in Dominican Republic electrical engineering service company that most of the time we find what we call phantom trips.
Yeah.
Power plants sometimes get shut down, and the operator in the controls room, he said, I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
So they call us and we go. We are like a ghost buster, finding root cause analysis, and I immediately relate this problem-solving capacity or root cause analysis. This is for a specific electrical engineering issue, but the process of the current reality tree, it's an amazing tool for better problem solving.
Right. Was there a favorite part, a favorite tree, or anything about in what we did that really struck you?
Yeah, well, that's a tough question because all the tools somehow has a application in the process. But for me, realizing how the goal tree affects all the process as a starting point. In the past, I didn't give the importance for the IO map or goal tree, but now I see that it's a huge and very important tool, the goal tree.
And I remember because I was watching you as you had finished your goal tree, how you realised that there was running the business today and expanding the business, and that had to be separated, and one had to strengthen the other. It was all very interesting. So, am I right that this course, your takeaway is that not only did it help redefine or strengthen the strategy of your company and where you want to go, internationalization, going to other countries and all these sorts of things, and what that meant for a strategy as a company and your role, more delegation, many things. That it was all on your different trees. And I hope that you're now going to implement all these, all this future reality. But at the same time, what I found very interesting in your case is the job of your company is to solve problems, right? It's to find root causes of complicated electrical situations in a substation or in a power station.
Yes.
So you'll be trying to teach all your colleagues to be better at logical thinking and problem resolution. Is that right?
Yeah, definitely. Traditional way of handle this is that only one person will become the master in solving, but in my vision, I prefer expansion to teaching other colleagues to do this also. And with this LTP process, it's amazing that you can pinpoint or identify which process you have to implement to do that. I mentioned the problem solving for emergency. That is a big part of our company, but definitely the multiplication process of the business that will expand properly applied is also one of my major outcomes of this workshop. So eagerly, willingly to implement as soon as I go back to my country.
Good. Good, excellent. Well, I'm very happy you enjoyed it, and it was a pleasure having you here in Paris. So, thank you very much.